Also, unfortunately, the entire last thing was not recorded, but it's recording now. Ah, that's unfortunate.
There we go. All right, he's in the right one. All the trucks get into the same arena as him, and then park wherever you want to, Jordan. And then once you're parked up, we will get started.
Let me get over there real quick.
Phil,
I gotta
can we move you over here? Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, it's a shame that's the last thing. Well, when I was using the Pigeon, it did not record itself. So, but it's recording now. It's no when we're ready to go.
All right. Go when the message fades. Timer started.
Oh, fun. Crunch. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, that was brutal.
Dog pile! Dog pile!
I might as well join this.
Dog pile!
You can ask.
Jordan, you can F7 if you want to go somewhere else.
We need to get off of
Someone get me back rolled upright.
F7, Shift C, F7, Jordan, back to the middle of the arena. Or you can reverse out and then we'll chase back once you get some distance.
We need some people at far distance doing some ramming speed.
Alright, and boys.
Oh!
You're absolutely smoked.
Unfortunately, that didn't do much damage.
Oh, I'm slipping.
Yeah, I need to F7 myself. This is chassis and taco.
I'm stuck in a pothole.
Oh,
Yeah, let him get back in. Let him get back in.
let me get out of his way. There you go.
Yeah, Jordan, you can F7 back in.
If you want.
He's stuck on me.
Is he? Oh, he's toasted. Alright, Turtle, do you want to take the pigeon or do you want me to? I don't know
Alright,
who
what's
put
the time
final
for
ball
him?
on.
You got that. You can go ahead.
Oh yeah, what was the time that he got?
1 minute 50.
Ooh, okay, so what was my time?
2:44.
Alright. Still Alright, so I still have a good time.
Alright. I don't think we'll probably do 5 attempts of this just because I'm hungry and I want to go eat. It's almost 7 o'clock p.m.
Okay.
That's really, oh my god, we're gonna find this for 5 hours?
Yeah. Well, 3 hours.
Probably yeah,
4.
3.5.
4.
Well, I guess we were practicing before, not practicing, dicking around, testing before.
Yep.
If everyone's ready,
Jordan's still in the pigeon.
oh, yeah. There we go.
No, he's switching now.
Let's go.
Oh, Jack, you're in it?
Yep. Alright, is everybody ready?
Ready.
I'm sorry, go man.
Oh, this is impossible.
I know! It's much more intimidating when you have the whole herd of them stuck on top of you.
Can't do that.
I just can't do anything right now.
It's a mosh pit. It's kind of just, can you get thrown around enough?
That might have been the hit that I gave if he's dead now.
No, I'm not. I can't. Alright, I need to F7. I'm stuck. Oh god.
Crush him, crush him, crush him.
Where is he?
I F7.
Oh,
Yeah, we need an F7, go man. We're stuck.
Right ahead of it.
Alright, I got mine out.
Oh, no.
I got name tags off, so when he disappears, he disappears.
Run, little pigeon.
Oh no, the tree! The tree got me!
what is happening?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Dog pile!
Oh my god.
Back to the middle of the arena.
Oh my god.
No, the tree. Damn it.
I would have made
I'm
it.
stuck between trees.
Damn it.
You also found yourself.
Yeah.
Someone punch him! I'm got him! We got him! We got him! Punch him!
Just getting bit.
How is he still?
It just burns my clock.
Let's push him.
Alright, get ready. We need someone to do a run up.
There's no way.
How is he still?
I was stuck in someone's tire.
How is his wheel still on? He's still.
I'm good, dude.
We just need to do a mobility kill. Someone punch him enough. People back out. Back off unless if you're not moving.
We're stuck.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No, not anymore.
Is that a mobility kill yet?
Pigeon is made. He might be 60-90.
Oh, I need to F7 because unless I get unstuck here. I think I'm still fine. I don't have a broken drive shaft or anything. The steering still works. Kinda.
That's crazy.
Okay.
I'm just gonna send
Back on my wheels. Let me get back in. Yeah, I'm good.
Oh god. He's actually gonna beat my time. No.
I'm almost just a chassis at this point. I barely even have a
Oh.
How is the pigeon so strong?
Right.
I did not know this.
It's shockingly strong. No. Somebody's. Oh. No. Am I stuck again? Jesus. I think part of it is you just keep landing on me and then you're just crashing into each other, not me.
Honestly, I can't believe I'm still going.
Yeah, I'm almost dead. I
Yeah,
can't back out.
I'm stuck, yeah. I cannot believe that this is moving.
Oh my god! What is that like mangled
look at
piece
that.
of metal that you're driving?
Oh, the drive shaft physically is not connected. Like visually, it's not. But it somehow still
What the
is.
hell?
I can see the drive shaft spinning.
I'm dead.
Oh, that should be a good punch.
Oh, he's
Come on, 20 seconds.
Kill him! Somebody kill him! Please kill the guy!
Push him.
Our steering still works.
There's no way.
5,
in my wheel well.
3, 2, 1.
You're hitting the wrong person.
I need, hold on.
There we go.
Turtle, if you can F7, I'm stuck on you.
Okay.
Hold on a second.
Was that 5 minutes?
Yes.
Oh my god, you actually did it!
Okay, can I get next? Go, man.
I
What?
want to see. Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Look at
I
this
need to see a
thing.
picture of this. Nobody hit me.
Sorry, hold on, let me get.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
What
That's
is
insane.
Hang on, everyone stop moving. We gotta take a picture of this thing.
Left turn circle's great. Hold on.
My
What's
god.
the